Hey bird lovers, today I'm going to be introducing my beautiful black budgie. Even though budgies mostly come in green or blue, this little one mostly has black patterns that make it look super unique. Budgies may be small, but they have huge personalities. They love to explore, chat, and play with anything that catches their attention. My black budgie is really curious, always hopping around, peeking, and watching everything I do. With a little peek and gentle talk, budgies can be really friendly and start trusting you. Some even do learn chopping and make sounds. If you want to see more videos like this, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching.